Hello everyone, I am Utkarsh Agarwal, founder and trainer at Robo Learners. This is my tank robot. I have made it through the Avishkaar Pro kit. I have used one full brain, two motors to control its base, one motor for the pulley movement which gives us an up and down movement of the shooter or of the cannon. So this is a dual cannon. I have attached two sky shots for the showing of the cannon, and they really shoot. For the explanation of this, you can go to my Holy Boom video or one of the videos which was created by Arna Agarwal under my guidance, which is the IPL celebration video. In both of that, we have explained how we did this. So the basic way of controlling this was attaching two motors here, which was controlled by the left joystick of my remote. The remote was my phone. I used the Bluetooth app to control it. The second joystick, which was the right joystick, the up and down movement was controlled. The up and down movement of the pulley was controlled by the up down movement of the joystick. And through the left and right, I attached the sky shot, and when I gave it power, it bursted. Now let us see the demo. Fire!